Today, we're going to smooth out messy hair while still keeping it natural. And just like in the one-click series, I've prepared an action so we can speed up the process. Starting from this image, we can see that the girl's hair looks very dry and frizzy. First, we'll create a new action, name it Smooth Hair, then hit record to start capturing the steps. Press Ctrl-J twice to duplicate the layer 2 times. Go to Filter, Other, High Pass. Set the radius to around 2. This helps preserve fine hair details, so after smoothing, the texture is still there. Next, open Camera Raw Filter. Reduce texture to -25 and clarity to -25. These settings help soften small details and reduce the harsh, messy look of hair. Change the blending mode to linear light. This allows us to bring back detail from the high pass layer while still keeping the overall smoothing effect. Press Alt and left bracket. To select the layer below when recording actions, it's better to use shortcuts instead of clicking layers. This makes the action more stable and avoids errors when applying it to different files. Go to Filter, Noise, Dust, and Scratches. Set the radius to around 55. Then press Ctrl-Shift-F to open Fade. Reduce the opacity to about 44%. This helps tone down the effect so the hair doesn't look overly smooth. Next, go to Filter, Stylize, Oil Paint. Set Stylization to 10, Cleanliness to 10, and turn off lighting. This step helps smooth out the hair in a more even way. Press Ctrl+L to open levels. Move the mid-tone slider slightly to the right. This darkens the hair a bit so it looks more natural after smoothing. Press Alt-Shift and right bracket to select the layer above as well. Then create a group, hold Alt and click on the mask to create a black mask. This hides the entire effect so we can paint it back only where needed. Select the brush tool, and at this point, we can stop recording the action. Now, simply paint over the areas where you want to smooth the hair. The action takes care of the technical steps automatically, but selecting the right areas is still done manually to keep the result natural. With this method, you can smooth hair very quickly while still maintaining control and detail. Now let's try it on a few different images with just one click. And by painting over the areas where the hair needs smoothing, you can clean it up very quickly while still keeping it natural. However, depending on each image, the strength of the effect may vary, so you can always reduce the group opacity to fine-tune the result and keep it looking natural. I've included the download link in the description. Feel free to try it out for free. Hopefully, it helps you save time in your retouching workflow. Like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks so much for watching till the end.